Are Assam and Meghalaya working actively to resolve the decade-old interstate boundary dispute? Well, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that he has had an unofficial discussion with his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sharma on the interstate border row besides other pertinent issues between the two states. While stating that the centre wants the interstate border dispute to end at the earliest, Chief Minister Sangma significantly stated that all construction work along the 12 area of differences between the two states would be stopped till the time Assam and Meghalaya go ahead with the talks on the land dispute.
The entire discussion for the border issue has been a continuous process, and we have been talking unofficially about this issue. It is an issue that has been there for the last 49 years. And therefore, there is no simple solution to this answer. So in order to be able to take things forward, we need to find ways and means in which we could come up with solutions that are acceptable by both sides and amicable. So therefore, it will have to be worked out. But as a government, it is our endeavor to see that we find a permanent solution. So therefore, a lot of discussions and talks have been taking place. And at the background of that, Meghalaya also has been doing a lot of homework. In fact, last 3 weeks I've spent more time on the border matter than any other matter.
And well, as Sangma further said that the two states share a very good relationship and the centre too is actively pursuing the interstate boundary dispute issue with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, expressing confidence that the matter should be resolved before August 2022.
This is a good time to take this forward also, because there is a very positive relationship in the leadership between Assam and Meghalaya. At this point in time, we both share equal respect for each other and for our people and for our state. And also, Government of India has been also actively pursuing this matter. The Home Minister had desired that before the 75th year of independence of the country, that all these issues, not just with Meghalaya, Assam, but with Assam and other states also, should be resolved. So therefore, it will be our endeavor and our desire and our efforts to resolve this within that time frame. It will be our efforts.
And Conrad Sangma, who met Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma recently, expressed confidence that the leadership of both states is trying their best to resolve the matter. The Meghalaya Chief Minister, however, admitted that it was not easy to find a simple solution to the issue, as it has been lingering for more than 40 years.